What if Earth looked like the world of One Piece? Imagine this, a single massive continent slicing the planet from pole to pole, and one endless ocean wrapping around Earth in a perfect ring. This giant wall of land, that's your red line, and the circular ocean, the Grand Line. First, the planet would be split into isolated zones. You wouldn't travel freely anymore. To reach the other side of the world, you'd have to cross a continent stretching thousands of kilometers, or risk sailing through one narrow, dangerous ocean route. Global trade would collapse overnight. All shipping would be forced onto the Grand Line, turning it into the most important and most dangerous route on Earth. Weather would go insane. That massive continent would block winds and ocean currents, creating extreme climates. One side could become dry and desert-like, while the other faces constant storms. And the Grand Line itself wouldn't be normal. With all ocean movement compressed into one band, currents would collide, storms would intensify, and navigation could become unpredictable and chaotic. Then there are the calm belts, zones with almost no wind at all. Ships could get stuck there completely motionless, unable to move without engines. Now, at the very center of the planet, there's a single crossing point where the ocean and the continent intersect. In One Piece, this is like Reverse Mountain. On Earth, this would become the most important location on the planet. Every trade route, every ship, every connection between both sides of the world would be forced through this one single point. But it wouldn't be easy to cross. Colliding currents could create violent waves, whirlpools, or even upward flowing water, making it one of the most dangerous places on Earth. Nations would fight to control it. It could turn into the richest city in the world, or the most heavily militarized war zone. Animals and ecosystems would split apart. Species on each side of the red line would evolve differently, like two separate worlds. And humans? Civilizations would grow isolated, developing different cultures, technologies, and histories. Because in a world like this, Earth wouldn't feel like one planet anymore. It would feel like multiple worlds.